Hello, welcome back to another wonderful tutorial. I'll be designing another monogram using letter S and A. We're going to be using purely shapes for this design, so I need you to stick around and watch this video to the end so you can get the full details of what we're going to be doing. Now, without wasting more of our time, let's proceed to the design. First, we're going to go over, as usual, two shapes to import the shape we'll be needing for the design. I'm going to use cycle, then I'm gonna drag for it to give me a shape like this. We needed something like this. Then I reduce the opacity to 0 and add some stroke, say around 2031. This should be cool. I click OK. I reduce the size a bit. I go back to shape to import another shape. Let's use something like the first one we had. So we're gonna have something that looks like it. Cool. Then I'm gonna send this second shape to the back. You have something like this. And the next thing is to import another shape. This time it's gonna look like a rectangle with a very reduced width. I'm gonna give it a black color, which will form part of the main design. I click OK. I'm gonna copy this and drag it over here. You have something like this out there. Then I click OK and copy this again. This time I'm going to rotate this copy. This time I'm going to rotate this copy to 90 degrees and bring it over here. Out there. Okay, I'm going to copy this and drag it over here too. Copy it again. This time I'm going to give this copy a white color. Then I'm gonna bring it over here, copy this and bring it down here. We have something like this. Then I'm gonna send this ring to front. I click on it, look at what is highlighted. I'm gonna send it to front. I bring it to front, then I click on this white line here below the black one and I'm gonna send it to front. Are we there? Using position, I'm going to drag it down a bit. Click OK. Let me adjust it up again. I think it looks cool this way. Alright, so having done this, I'm going to click on this white line, copy it and drag it down here. Sorry, I'm going to undo this. Then I'm going to drag this one down here. Then use position to adjust it a bit. Good. Then I'm going to click on it and copy again. This time I'm going to increase the height and reduce the width. I'm going to reduce the width. Click on it and drag it to the middle of this design. Reduce a bit. Drag it here. Good, we have it this way. We have something like this. Then I'm gonna click on it, copy it, drag it. Sorry, I'm gonna click on this, bring it up here. I'm gonna reduce the width a bit, so I bring it up here. I bring it up here. And looks like we are quite done with our design, so it's time to really clip it off and you're going to see our design take shape. So what we're going to do now is to click on the ring, copy it, increase the size. First we're going to give it a white color. To the copy, we're going to give it a white color. Beautiful. Then we're going to drag it just outside the main design. You gotta be careful here. Yeah, so we have something like this. I click OK, then I'm going to import the usual rectangular shape. I'm going to place one here, copy it, and bring one over here. The idea is to get rid of these black lines. Copy another, bring it here, copy the last one and place it somewhere here. So the next thing is to go over and merge the entire shapes together. The entire shapes involved in this design, we are merging everything together. Alright, so having done this, we go down to merge and confirm merging. Then I'm supposed to add this to this plus this, confirm merging to. Then I go down to erase color, click on erase color, increase the tolerance to 70, click OK, go up, copy, come here, highlight the two and merge. Good, we have our monogram, we have our SA monogram. Without wasting time, we're going to be adding the texture. As usual, I'll click on texture, it takes us to the gallery. We have the texture on the logo mark, so we're going to click on texture to enable it and drag to add this. I love it this way. I'm going to click OK. The next thing is to add background. We click here and click on gallery and we add a background. Beautiful, our background is here, so we're going to drag to fill the canvas. We're going to drag to fill the canvas, and you can appreciate our logo. The more you can appreciate it better now. So the next thing is to add some touches to this logo as usual. So we're going to go over to 3D shape, enable it, add some depth, increase the color of the depth, add some rotation, X rotation and Z rotation too. Then I'm going to bring it over here. I like to place my logo here for tutorial purposes. All right, so the next thing is to add the name of the design. So I'm going to go over here and click on text. Then we are going to edit. We're going to edit it. We are going to call it SA logo. SA logo. Click OK. Bring to front. We have our design and we are done. We go over to here and save as image as usual. Remember to save in ultra quality. It renders and saves to your gallery after a while.